Okay, so just a few little tips with the mineral powder. As you're waiting for your lips just to feel that little tingly feeling, it's actually drawing the blood to the surface of the skin. So that's why you've got your Australian red clay in here, and your Australian sandalwood powder, and your pure vanilla bean or vanilla beans. So what that does is it actually naturally draws the blood to the surface of the skin, and the exfoliator and the sandalwood powder act as natural exfoliants. So it's really gentle on your lips, much gentler than sugar, and it just really takes off that fine layer of you know, just that little layer of dead skin cells that may occur on your lips from time to time. So whilst you're doing that, all you need to take this off is a little bit of tissue paper, or you can use a face cloth or something like that, but this is how simple it is. I don't even need to use water if I don't want to. And because I've been very careful, tissue paper, you know, that happens. Because I've been very careful, I'm now left with beautiful smooth lips, but I've also been left, as you can see, with a really subtle little nice natural tint on my lips from the mineral powder. Now I'm actually going to leave that on, and I'm going to show you something else where you can use your mineral powder for. So I'm just going to highlight my cheeks and my eye area as well. So it's really simple, just nice gentle brushes up like that. Really subtle. You don't need a lot. Remember, less is best. See that beautiful little colour, and it's highlighted my cheekbones there as well. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And then also just going to use, I sometimes just tap it into the lid as well, just to give me a little bit, you know, and remember, less is best. And then I'm just going to do my eyes as well, and I normally just place it in the middle. Just like that. There you go. And you're ready for either you know, a great daytime little outing if you want. You've used the product in 3 different ways so far, and yeah, it's so simple.